it's me, Cici, back again with a video that isn't trying to be aggressively cinematic for no reason. So, it has been a while since I've done a hair video, and that is because, as you can probably tell, I've been growing it out, and I absolutely adore the length that it is at now. I have missed having it somewhat long, although it does feel really weird that it's touching my shoulders and I need to get a trim, even though I've been trying to grow it out. The problem, though, with growing my hair out is that— oh, that is not cute. But the main problem is that my little front bang pieces are a little bit long. Even though I've sworn off cutting my own hair, fringe is the one exception. I feel like it's easier to do because it's just a small section of your hair and you can, like, see 100% of what you're working with. I don't know. I've never messed up bangs before, so I'm gonna keep on doing that. Why would I go to the salon for a bang trim every, like, month when I could just do it myself? So that's what we're gonna be doing today, and I'm going to take you along so that you also know how to cut your own bangs at home and you don't have to go to the salon to pay for it every month or so. So, without further ado, let's go! Step 1. Section your hair. The way that I section my hair is just the classic triangle at the front of the head. That's the way that I part it when I style it, and so that is going to be the way that I part it when I cut my fringe. So, using my mirror, I'm just going to part it down the middle for starters. And then usually to section my hair, I go to around the temple, like right around where the hair starts curling around. Like if you go next to the eyebrow and just draw a line straight up, that's usually where I like to start, roundabout-ish. Very scientific method here. And then from there, we go back. Does that look like enough? Yeah, I think that's okay. We will keep it light for now, and if we want to add more later, we can do that. And then we just do the exact same thing on the other side. You know what? That's good for now. So now that I'm actually looking at it, it looks like there's this one chunk here that's just a little bit shorter than everything else. So I think I'm gonna start by trimming it to there. Okay, that feels a bit better. Now I also want the pieces in the middle to be a little bit shorter than the pieces on the outside, so I'm just gonna separate a couple of the middle sections. I'm just gonna point cut into it. I don't want to take off a lot. You can always take off more later, but you cannot put hair back on. Poorly styled, but it's looking good. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna release a bit more of the hair in the surrounding area. I'm gonna brush it out, do a little mini length comparison, and it's actually not that bad of a jump while I'm looking at it. Gently blend that out so that there's a nice slope and it transitions back into the rest of the hair pretty seamlessly. And of course we use our favorite technique, the point cut. And then we just do the exact same thing on the other side. And then you gotta check both sides to make sure that they're actually semi-even. Okay, so now we have shortened our bangs. We have blended it out with the rest of the hair. We've made sure they're even, and we are now covered in little tiny hair sheddings. That's basically it. You can style it however you want now. And I'm going to do just that and be back in a moment to show you the results. Oh! Wait, no, I think I want to show you how to style this, so, cut the transition. So usually I style them direct out of the shower, but because I was filming a video and I had to, like, put on my makeup and I didn't want to style my hair because I was trimming it, I didn't do that. But on those days when my fringe is just not working out, I will go in with a straightening iron to make it look a little bit cuter. So first we're just going to take it and we're going to curl it up like that, and we're going to pull it to the side. And this is very curly, I know. Don't panic. Use a round brush to sort of solidify the shape a little bit more. And that's vaguely the shape you want to go for. And then do exactly the same thing to the other side. Oh no, that did not turn out nearly as well. Maybe try flipping it outwards? Forwards, and then flip it outwards? Sometimes it works beautifully like this side, and sometimes it doesn't. It just doesn't.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I think I maybe got it working a little bit. We're just gonna ignore the first side, and look this side because this side is cute. Sometimes if I'm also feeling a little extra fancy, I'll take the little bits in the middle, and this is why we trim them short. We take the little bits in the middle and we style them like a regular fringe. Oh no, that did not go well. We're gonna leave them in the brush and hope that they straighten out. Status update, they did not straighten out. But anyway, the point is that they're supposed to like fall into the center a little bit. This does not look cute on camera. You know what? It's fine. We push it back. Nobody needs to know. So this is it. This is the finished curtain fringe. I hope that you enjoyed this video because honestly, it was a struggle for me and I cannot wait to get my hands on a blow dryer tomorrow morning so that I can actually do this and have it look okay. If you did like this video, make sure to leave a like down below. Comment to let me know what I did wrong on this side. Please, I would really like to know. And subscribe for more of my lovely face. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye now!